Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to check spam messages on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to check your spam messages on your Facebook Messenger application, what you have to do is first of all open up your Messenger application, and after opening your Messenger application, tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on that option you will find message request. Just tap on the third option, message requests, and after tapping on that option, here you can find two options you may know. So in this section you will receive the messages from those persons who you know or you have saved in your contacts, and in the other section you can find spam, and here you will receive your spam messages. So this is how to check spam messages on Facebook Messenger. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.